If you take your hijab off, you will win this iPhone.
Never.
Would you do it?
Astaghfirullah, never.
Astaghfirullah, never. Why not? Why not?
Because hijab is everything, and nothing in the world will make me take this off.
Whoa,
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Nothing, yeah.
Nothing. Like even
Nothing.
if okay, 10,000 pounds on the iPhone, you wouldn't take your hijab
Never.
off.
Never. Not even a billion.
Never. Not even a billion. Oh my God. Okay, let's ask someone like. Assalamu alaikum. You Muslim?
Yes, I am.
I can tell from your hijab. That's why I stopped you. And I got a challenge for you.
Okay.
Yeah. If you do it, you will win this iPhone. This will be to you.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Do you want to know what's the challenge?
Tell me.
Okay. The challenge is you have to take your hijab off.
Oh my goodness.
If you take it off and you show me your hair, you will win this iPhone 12 Pro Max. I promise you it's gonna be you.
Oh, that is insane. How can you ask me to do something like that?
It's a challenge. It's just a challenge. Would you do it?
No, I can't do that. This